Hi folks, Andrew here for another Do Science at Home segment, and today I am making Oobleck. So this is one of our favorite substances here at the Kentucky Science Center, and it's real easy to do at home. I imagine a lot of you probably have some cornstarch in the pantry, and it is just a 50-50 mix of cornstarch and water to create what's known as a non-Newtonian fluid. So as you can see, it flows like a liquid until I try to apply force to it. It's very difficult to scoop. It's sort of crumbly. It behaves like a solid when you apply force to it. So just like I said, really easy to make. I've measured out a 1/4 cup of cornstarch in this bowl, about a 1/4 cup of water in this container right here, and we're just going to add the two together. I'm going to go, just for fun, add a little bit of food coloring to this particular batch and add the water and try to stir it up. So fun activity to do. You can do it outside. It works well outside if you're not going to do it on a countertop. It will kind of leave a little bit of a powdery mess sometimes, and it's fun to get your hands in and mix it up. So little too much water in this batch. You just want to explore, experiment, sort of play with the ratios a little bit. Do a little more cornstarch if you have to. Just kind of mix it up. Once you get it right, so again, I've got some food coloring in here, so this is blue. Once you know you've gotten it right is when it behaves like both a solid and a liquid. So you can take it and slowly scoop it up, because if you push too hard it's going to act like a solid and it's going to resist. But you can scoop it up, put it in your hands, play with it, roll it into a ball. You can bounce it on the table, and then as soon as you relax your hands, it'll drip. So now if we take this white Oobleck that I've made earlier, I got a little bit of the blue mixed in, but that's no problem. You can tell that it's crumbly when I apply some force to it, but if I can get a big wad of it scooped up, you can see it can form it into a ball. It's crumbly, it kind of is bouncy, it's a little elastic, but as soon as I relax my hand, it'll go back into a liquid and make this wonderfully messy mixture that oozes between my fingertips and back into the jar. And that's Oobleck, just a 50% mix of 50-50 mix of cornstarch and water. You can do it at home.